Hello everyone, today we will unbox the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. As you all guys can see, this is the 4G LTE 1.4 GHz quad-core processor with a 13 megapixel rear camera, with a 5 megapixel front camera, with a 32 GB of memory, with a 2 GB of RAM. So guys, this is the phone and let's unbox it and see what's inside it and what this phone can give us. As you all guys can see, infinity display, 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel LED front camera, front flash. Let's boot up the phone and let's see what's inside the package. This time you don't get a case with it. SIM ejector tool with a regular charger, micro USB and regular headphone. This is really disappointing. Samsung is not including fast charging in any of the phones except the flagship phones. So you guys can see this is the phone, and now we will set up it and wait to it to boot up. This phone is $145 in my place, and this is really not a cheap phone in my country as I live Iraq. This is a good price for a good phone. If this phone feels just like the Galaxy J6 Plus, so it will be a huge disappointing from Samsung for giving us a phone with a high price with no good specification like the Xiaomi or Huawei. And let's set up the phone. We can see some lags on it on setuping. Next, let's see, it's not a very fast phone. Extend your battery life, let's disable that and finish. The screen is really dim. Let's see if we can. This one is really doing some lagging. Let's make the brightness a little lower for you guys to see it. So guys, this is the Galaxy J4 Plus unboxing video, and let's see the camera on it or some apps. Let's see settings about the phone. This is the Galaxy J4 Plus. So guys, this was the quick unboxing of the Galaxy J4 Plus 2018. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I like the video if you like it, and tell me any speed test, any comparison you want in the future with this phone or any other phone. Just tell me in the comment section below and I will try to do it as soon as possible as I can. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This will be a huge support for me. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please. This will be a huge support for me, and peace out.